Wonder. Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back, man?
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. It's your girl B. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare products. This video might not be that long because I don't use that much stuff. But let me just get this out the way now. I'm not going to be one of those people who be like, just drink water. No, because honestly, I don't even be drinking water all like that. Deadass, I literally drink like 2 bottles of water a week. And that sounds really, really bad, I know. But that's just what I do. I don't know. It's not that I don't like water. It's just that I like flavor, okay? And when I mean 2 bottles of water, I mean, oh my gosh. I mean little bottles like this, So let me first start off by saying that I have oily skin, mostly around here. I get blackheads around here. And my pores are always saying hi to everyone. My skin does get dry, but only sometimes. It depends on the weather. And mostly it gets dry around like fall or winter. So right now my skin is like a little dry. Like it'll be dry like up here or like over here or something. I don't get pimples unless it's my time of the month. So I'm mostly just getting blackheads like I said around here. So right now I'm going to be showing you guys the products that didn't work out for me, which is the blackhead eraser from Clean & Clear. I used this for like 3 years and like nothing happened. It literally did nothing good for my skin. The next one is also from Clean & Clear, and this is the Morning Burst. This one also doesn't do anything for my skin. It kind of like wakes... No, it doesn't even wake it up. It's basically that I get the same feeling from just washing my face with water. That doesn't do anything for my face. And when I do get dry skin, I tend to put the Burt's Bees cleansing oil. But that makes my skin super oily, even in my dry spots, and I don't have a lot. When I put just like literally the size of my pinky, like over here, my whole face will be drenched like 2 hours later. So I don't like using that. Even though you do like wet your face after and stuff, you don't let it sit on there for a while. I can't use that at all. So for the products that I do use, I usually wash my face about 3 times a week with my products, and it's only 2 products, so it's not a lot. Sometimes I would do it twice during the week and then once on the weekends, or vice versa. And I mostly do it at night. In the morning, I usually just like wash my face off with water. So that's what I do. Now these are the 2 things that I use on my face. This one is a deep clean scrub, and it says oil free, gentle exfoliators, refined skin. Beta hydroxy formula cleans deep down into pores for soft, smooth skin, and this does really help. I think this is the one that smells like oranges. It smells so good and it works so well for my face. And then the second one, now this one is a deep clean foaming scrub. I use this one first and then I'll put the one that smells like oranges after. I don't know why, I just do. And both of these really do help my pores a lot. Because my pores, when they get oily, like super, super oily, they just like to say hi to everyone. So they're just like hella big. I don't know if you guys can see right now, but they're not trying to show out today. This like is like a hole in my face, so don't mind that. I have a few blackheads over here. So after I wash my face with those 2 products, these are the 2 that I use every single day. This one is a clean pore oil eliminating thing. This one literally takes off all the oil from my skin, and the way it feels is so like, it's like when you're chewing mint gum and you breathe in and it's like hella cool like that. That's exactly how this feels when you put it on your face. Like, it doesn't burn your eyes, but it's just like a cool feeling in your eyes. And I really love this one so much. This is my 2nd bottle, and it lasts so long. Like, I got this 2 months ago, and I'm only halfway done with it. So I use this every single day. I just get a little like cotton ball and I'll just like rub my face, and literally dirt comes off my face, oil comes off my face, like little, I don't know if those are like excess blackheads come off my face. The only thing I don't like about this one is that it leaves my skin feeling very tight. Does that make sense? It feels like I got Botox with, like, it makes my skin feel like that. So after I use this, the Mario spray, I'm pretty sure you guys know what this is. And if you don't know what this is, it's just a facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. So this actually does make my face feel like less tense and less tight. It does give me a little bit of oil, but it's like manageable oil. Like, I can go like that and not see the oil on my hand. But if I don't use it, then I would definitely like see oil or like flakes coming off of my face because it feels really dry. So when my face starts to feel dry like that, when I don't put on the spray, I will use just this cream right here. It's more like a lotion, and I got this from a drugstore. So this is what it looks like if I can open it. It looks like, it smells so good. It smells like aloe. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a green goo, and putting a lot does give my face hella oil. So I literally take like this much. I don't know if you guys can see. I will literally take, I'm not flipping you guys off, I swear. So I take like this much. Focus on me, baby, can't you focus on me? Yeah, so I'll put it like over here or like over here, wherever my dry spots are, and it'll just fix it right up, because that is actually where I need oil to be at. I don't want the oil to be like over here and like on my pores and stuff. Like I literally just started washing my face with all these products again not that long ago, and probably like last week, and my skin cleared up so fast compared to how it looked a few days ago. This is how my skin looked a few days ago. I'm looking at it right here as well, and you can definitely see like the blackheads coming out. My pores are disgusting. That little thing on my face, I have no idea what that is. And then you have the blackheads right there. Oh my gosh, like I really do have a lot of blackheads. I've always had a lot of blackheads. Let's see, here's my other cheek. So this is on this side, I believe. So yeah, this one isn't that bad with the blackheads, but do you see my pores? Oh my gosh, that looks disgusting to even zoom in on. Yeah, that's gross. All my blackheads and stuff. Okay, now this is when it started to get a little bit better. You can definitely see the difference. This was on Saturday, so this was about almost a week ago. And you can already see the difference between my pores on this side. And yeah, there's not a lot of blackheads anymore. There's like one right there, but you know, it's whatever. The one down here kind of is going away. And my pores, you can zoom into them a little bit more, but you can just see how oily it kind of is still. I don't know if that's the light or if that's how my pores were looking that day. So here's the other side. Okay, see, this one was still bad. My blackhead was right there. My pores, oh my gosh, that's so ugly. So this side had no improvement. Yeah, you could see up there, it's definitely breakage. Huh? I'm definitely breaking out. And look, I had a pimple on my forehead. Guys, I literally never get pimples or blackheads on my forehead unless it's my time of the month, like I said. I don't know why my forehead is always just like the clearest part. I wish that... Actually, no, I'm not even going to say it. I'm not even going to say it. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on my little post notifications because I post new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I did make a new Instagram separately for my YouTube, by the way, if you guys didn't notice. So it is at mxedbrit. So yeah, go do all that. The information will be down in the description. I'm tired. Okay, I'm ending this video. I can't do this anymore.